Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili honey sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite honey, 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes for that perfect heat, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to add a lovely tang. For an extra layer of flavor, you might also want to include a small pinch of salt or a clove of minced garlic. These few items are all you need to begin this sweet and spicy journey. Now, let's move on to the simmering process. Pour your honey and chili flakes into a small saucepan. Place it over medium-low heat, allowing the mixture to warm slowly. It's crucial to let it gently simmer, not boil, as boiling can alter the honey's natural sweetness and consistency. Stir the mixture occasionally for about 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring the chili flavors are beautifully infused throughout the honey. Once your honey has simmered for a few minutes, carefully remove the saucepan from the heat. This is the perfect moment to stir in your 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which brightens the sauce and balances the sweetness. Now, let the sauce cool down completely to room temperature. This resting time is essential, as it allows the chili flakes to further infuse their delightful heat and flavor into the honey, creating a richer, more complex sauce. Finally, it's time to finish and store your homemade chili honey sauce. If you prefer a smoother sauce, you can strain out the chili flakes using a fine mesh sieve. Otherwise, simply pour the cooled sauce directly into a clean, airtight glass jar. This delicious condiment can be stored at room temperature for several months, ready to drizzle over pizza, fried chicken, or even your morning toast. Enjoy the sweet and spicy kick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.